Alright, to do a running jab is pretty simple. Just focus on bouncing your legs as you move forward, punching the ball into the air at the same time. Okay, next, to do a downward elbow into the knee, you want to strike the ball down with your elbows, then jab the ball down again with the opposite arm to give yourself that extra split second, before bringing your knee up into the ball, sending it upwards. Okay, to do a turning foot sweep, you want to hop backwards and jab the ball with the opposite arm to the foot that's sweeping. Then sweep or swing the foot back to dodge the ball coming back, turning your body around to face it. Okay, to do a side elbow, hammer fist into reset, turn your body sideways to line up your side elbow to the ball. Hit the ball once with the elbow, then extend your fist into a hammer fist. Then finally intercept the rebound with your arms into the string, sending the ball back. To do a spiral knee, jab the ball away hard at first. Then as it comes back, you want to swipe the string away. This will cause the ball to spiral downwards. Then you want to bring up your knee to intercept the ball, sending it back up. To do a backwards hop into a turn, you want to hop backwards as you're jabbing the ball down. And then as you're ready to turn, you want to punch it down hard quickly. Then you want to sweep your back foot to let it pass you on the way up. And lastly, to do an around the world, you want to jab the ball away with whichever side you're turning into. Once you jab the ball, pull your arms back into a rotation. And once you're all the way through, push away with your back foot. Okay guys, that's it for now. Make sure to leave comments if you have any questions and subscribe for more videos.